Hey everyone, I am back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing how to remove an app from your computer when you are encountering an error such as the one that you see here on the screen. Now, I must admit I did make a mistake on here a few weeks ago where I was trying to remove this software, ease US data recovery wizard and all of the other applications that it's related to, like the ease US partition master. The way that I originally did it, which was a mistake, which is something I should have never done, I don't know why I did it that way anyway, is that I deleted the folder from the program files directory, and that is not a wise thing to do. I don't know what was going on in my mind at the time. Maybe there was an issue that I encountered and I don't know why I chose to delete it in the first place. But when I tried to go to settings and then apps and features, and I saw that it was there, I tried to uninstall it and it would not allow me to uninstall or remove it from my computer. And so in this video, I'll show you how to successfully uninstall apps when you're encountering the same error. Now, I usually don't suggest people to download and install another app in order to fix something on your computer. And the reason why is because there's a lot of apps that are out there that are filled with malware and other things that will actually make your computer worse. Now, as it relates to CCleaner, it's not going to be one of those softwares that's going to be like that. CCleaner has a good reputation and they are not sponsoring this video. I do not get any benefit from them for promoting CCleaner, but it will help with this specific situation that I found myself in. Now, right when I install and do what I need to do, I will go ahead and uninstall it because I will not need it on my computer. So once it is installed and the window is open, what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go and click registry. The app did not get removed from the registry, so that is why it was still being shown in apps and features. And so when you go into registry, you'll have the option to scan for issues. So go ahead and click scan for issues. After it is done scanning, you're going to go ahead and click review selected issues. It's going to ask, do you want to back up the registry before making changes? Always click yes. Now, I'm not going to have all the time in the world to review 1,276 issues that is found in the registry. And so instead, I'm just going to go ahead and click fix all selected issues. And it fixes everything very, very fast. And once it's done, you can go ahead and click close. But before I click close, you can see at the top there, you can see that one of the files that it fixed could not be located. So it helped to delete the registry key. Now that is done, I click close. I'm going to go back to apps and features to see if I find that app still there. And it is gone, completely gone, thanks to CCleaner. Now that I am done with what I needed to use CCleaner for, I'm going to go ahead later on to uninstall it from my computer. That is all I have for you. Stay happy.